This is exercise 5.3b. We'll be talking about displaying word count and using thesaurus. Word count is a very easy and handy tool to use, especially for college essay assignments and so on. You know, your professor may ask you to type an essay, 1,000-word essay. Well, as you type, you'll see in the bottom left corner right here, it says right now is 908 words currently on this document. So if you want to, just double click on it and then you'll see more detailed statistics. It says it has 2 pages, 908 characters, words, and then it has 4,653 characters and so on. So that's a good, helpful information, and you should use it. And also, if you go to the review tab and then click on word count, basically you get the same dialog box, more or less, information box. Alright, so that's word count, and let's move on to thesaurus. So again, when you write a research paper, college research paper, or an essay, this comes very handy. Alright, so I'm looking at page number 146 and step number 5. Okay, so it says change the word method in the first paragraph to process using the thesaurus. So here is the first paragraph, and then let's find the word method. Here, paragraph method, yeah, here it is. Here's a method. So you can double click to select it or click on anywhere on that word. And then here, click on thesaurus, and then in the thesaurus dialog box opens up a pane, opens on the right side, and that's the word it is looking up, and these are all synonyms and the opposite words and so on. So on that list, go ahead and click on process. Actually, you can actually click on this speaker
method,
icon
method
to hear the pronunciation. Anyway, go ahead and click on process. Oh, I'm sorry. Never mind. Okay. So, let me go back. This is okay. So you use this arrow key to go back the previous word that you looked up. So anyway, so I'm looking at methods and then come down here. So don't click on the word because it will change to that word, and it's going to look up the process, and it's going to look for all the synonyms. Of course, okay, hold on just 1 second. Sorry about that. Anyway, it'll look for the word process, which is the synonym of the method, right? So that changes the search. So let me go back to the method, and then you have process. So don't click on it. Instead, you move over to the right, so then there's a drop down arrow. Click on it, and then you can go ahead and click on insert. And it's going to insert, essentially replacing the word method with process. Okay? And so let's move on to step 6. And it's asking to replace, find a synonym for the word obtained, and it is the 4th sentence in the paragraph. So I don't know, it's kind of hard to find it. So one way to find it is use the home tab and use the find tool. So click on here, and then I'm going to type in obtained, and now it's highlighted. So that's easy. Go ahead and close that, and you click on it, and then go back to the review tab and click on thesaurus, and it looks up all the synonyms, and then the textbook asks to use, I think, taken. So So click on it and then insert. So replaces obtained into taken. Okay, so that's a grammar error. So let me double check. The first fixed image was taken by Joseph so and so. Yeah, it just passed. Okay, so this is a style issue, grammar and style issue. The style says it's a passive voice because it was taken by. Okay, no big deal. We'll move on. Let's see. Step 7 on page number 146. Let's hear the pronunciation of the word daguerreotype. Okay, so where is it? It's in the probably it's the 8th sentence in the first paragraph. So probably is near. Oh, here it is, near the end. So click on it, and then go to Review tab. Click on Thesaurus. Here it is. No word to be found that is a synonym of that, but you still have the pronunciation.
Daguerreotype. Daguerreotype.
Daguerreotype. Interesting. Okay. Okay, that's it. We're gonna close this and then save it. Of course, there are other issues potentially, but I think we did this earlier. They are all spelled correctly. Okay, so go ahead and save it, and then we'll move on to exercise 5.3c. So it is on page number 147. Let's see, it's asking for the word flexible in the first sentence of the 3rd paragraph. So let's see, here's first paragraph, 2nd, 3rd paragraph. In first sentence, flexible. Okay, here's the word flexible. And if there are different ways of doing the same thing. One of them is using or getting the synonym. So obviously you can click on it and then go to Review and click on Thesaurus. You can do that. But there's actually a shorter way, less powerful in a way, less comprehensive, but it's quick and dirty. So you right click on it and then go up or go down depending on how this menu opens up. So go to somewhere in the middle. There's a synonyms, and then jump to the right, and then we are going to select bendable. Okay, so right here, and go ahead and click on it, and now it changes to bendable. All right, so that's it. That's it for 5.3c. So exercise 5.3d is about using the dictionary to define the words. So for example, if you want to know the word's definition, for example, photography here, so you click on it or double click on it to select it. It doesn't matter, it just could be just somewhere in the middle or highlight both, the whole word. And then go to Review and then click on Define, and you have dictionaries. So you can go ahead and download. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download, and it's about to install Merriam-Webster Dictionary. It's loading. So obviously once you load it, you should be able to use it. And now I have an error message. Sorry, we didn't be able to load this application because your browser version is not supported. Ooh, that's not good. Oh well. So go ahead and click on X, and then since I cannot use this, I guess I will not use it. Obviously, you know that you can use the internet browser to use any kind of dictionaries that you're comfortable using it. So that's perfectly fine. But in normal circumstance, I guess my situation is less than normal. But anyway, on the normal circumstance, you should be able to download it and install it. This dictionaries as a part of your Word application, which could be handy. Alright, so that's it for 5.3, exercise 5.3.